Thank you. I give the floor to the International Association.
Madam President, Pashtun in Pakistan are the target of enforced disappearances, target killing and other forms of oppression by the state. More than 4,000 forcefully disappeared Pashtun are still missing in Pakistan. Many of these illegally abducted people have been killed in fake encounters and falsely presented as terrorists in order to keep the war in Pashtun lands ablaze. While the forcefully disappeared persons might be tortured physically or even murdered, their families are under continuous mental torture. They live between the hope and fear. Some families are waiting for a missing son that might have already been killed. These families are denied a decent mourning and closure. With each missing person, a whole family has been plunged into poverty, uncertainty, and severe mental distress. In most cases, the only crime of the missing persons is their disagreement with the atrocities committed by the military and tribal areas. Pashtun Tahaffuz Movement (PTM), a non-violent movement fighting for the human rights, peace and justice, has dared to call out the Pakistan military on the issue of enforced disappearances and other repressive crimes against Pashtun. We call on this council to urge Pakistan as follows. Present the thousands of forcefully disappeared persons before the court of law. Set up an independent Truth and Reconciliation Commission to address the grievances of the missing persons and their families.
Thank you. I give the floor to the non-